For this video guys, no, having my vacation here in Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, no, having fun, memories, and adventures, no, with my family, especially my nephews and nieces, no. Masaya na ako na makasama sila at ganun rin sila, nagagalak na makasama ako. Kaya wala kaming ibang hangout, kundi ang tanging dalampasigan ng Bulanit Beach, no. Hindi man kagandahan ang tanawin, ngunit sapat na ito para sa aming pamilya ang tumambay dito, lalo na kung low tide, no. Mangangapa ka lang ay makakahuli ka na ng isda o kaya limasag o kaya mga iba-ibang klaseng seashells, no. At karaniwan na sa amin dito ang walang cottage, no. Latag-latag ka lang dyan, okay na, no. At baong nakabalot sa dahon ng saging with fried dried fish, no. It's enough for us to be having bodol fights, no, since we are all family, no. And as part of my family bonding, especially nephews and nieces, no, makes us memories, no, that we can't forget in our life, although we were far apart to each other, no, to make this activity regularly. At habang pinagmamasdan ko sila, no, growing up, they are more united and loving to each other, no. It is very nice to observe that their parents build up is much appreciated. Perhaps we seldom getting together, no, but still I just want to be close to them, no, even afar. So ito yung memories, no, para sa kanila, that later on when they grow older they will remember how they feel their younger days, no. That's why I don't stop making video memories for my families or even myself as well, no. Always make stories of your life, no, as compilation, no, not or nor for arrogance, no. You can also make your memories for your life, no, that in the future you have something to play back, no, to watch whatever you want, no, or even in your families, no, they can view the videos, no, what you have shared those memories during the time of your life, no. That is the most important matter, no. You have to compile the story of your life with your family. So this time dumating din ang aking sister at pinsan, no, na sabik akong makita at magpapahangin din, no, sa dalampasigan habang high tide na, no. Sarap ng hangin habang ramdam mo ang hampas ng mga alon, no, sa tabing dagat. Ayan. So yan, minamasdan natin ang kapaligiran habang ninanamnam ang sarap ng hangin, habang pinapanood ang ating mga pamangkin, no, nandyan nagsasaya habang lumalangoy, no, habang pataas ng pataas yung tubig, no. So this is the only way of memories, no, that you can never forget in your whole life, no. So thank you so much guys, no, for watching these videos of mine, no. Ayan, kung mabuhay tayong lahat dyan.
I just wanna die in your